Let's go. Okay. Jesus Christ, Orion, why you must do them so? What on YouTube? Nigga, you supposed to say. What on YouTube?
I know I'm Orin.
Shanika here.
Yes, and today we
And
have for you
today,
guys.
I've been feeling a little dull, right? A little blunt. So, you know, my boyfriend's gonna do my makeup. So,
So we'll let it.
yeah, hopefully he doesn't have me looking like a gremlin afterwards.
How was that civilized? No, clearly not. Fun, but in no sense civilized.
So, you know, we're gonna hope for the best. But honestly, we've tried shooting this video before and we had problems doing it 2 times. So by now, I'm hoping he's a little, you know, a little pro at it. But I expect nothing less than the semi-best. So let's get into the video.
You're going with this. Alright.
And I'm back.
Alright, people, she wash her face. Out of that, make one put makeup on dirty face. Highly face. Bright. Alright, so.
I should people in my business, so I understand my face dirty. Look at it.
And you admit it. Okay, moving on. What is this called? Tell the nice people what is it?
It's primer. It's that Rimmel primer. Okay.
Alright, so from the last
2 times.
2 times, you know, say if you rub up some primer.
Yeah, me too.
I'm going to spend them clean outside of him. You think me I see anything?
Call me.
We cut from different cloth.
A good thing that's in
Me a silk and jeans.
Who would hell thinks of those stuff to say? She's my girlfriend.
I say it to my girlfriend because I'm very comfortable. You're not comfortable? Hmm?
Let's say awful.
Alright, so
I look for somebody else on my face again.
just that little bit of something I put on your face.
Right.
So I put on all of this primer up on her face.
Not even everybody doing that one. But even on the corner of my face.
The box.
So one line for girls. Oops.
Alright. Yes. So that is done. The pen. So what is this called, Shalika?
Elf is an elf eyebrow pencil.
Elf? Okay, so there we go.
Alright.
I don't know if you can see, but yeah, elf.
Yeah. You might be like a makeup picture as well. Alright, my dear. You guys.
How do you do this again?
I can just see from right here. So.
Where?
Right here.
Go here. Stylish though. Alright.
I'm going to fix it if I come and cook this. Because I don't want it reaching on my eye.
Close your eye and show it next to it. Close your eyes. Wanna see? Nice, don't it?
Come on, man. Fill it out now.
May I forget to pick up this profession? When I finish, you tell me the professional fit me. What are you laughing? You laugh after my profession for? Bring your face, come.
Bring my face, come on.
No, no, fine. Ooh, oh, the box cover.
This one.
I forgot.
To fill it out? I've been saying it.
They've been saying it. I am the professional. You don't tell me what to do.
This is not cooking, sir. want it.
Cool.
Which plane you line?
I crash.
And that me does.
Alright. Hope that's let's see if my drawing skills will come in. No eyebrow. If you put some of your ear treatment on the eyebrow.
The ear treatment?
Yeah, stop screen drop your face, bro.
Yes, the ear
Me
treatment.
go take you out of my chair, you know, and call my next client, you know.
What the hell are you? This is my eyebrow.
The box cover.
Jesus Christ.
I'm a professional. Can I use my right hand, you know?
Oh, what, turn?
Yes, please.
Try to fix the angle.
You reach the time of the video where I go beg, you know? Ask me nicely to please subscribe to the channel if you don't like the content and want to see more of us. Why you take your hand
Why your man angry with Jesus.
If you want to see more of us, please subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you're notified whenever we post a new video.
Wait, what happened to them eyebrows?
Brethren.
Sorry. So yeah,
Sure.
guys, subscribe.
Yeah, after
Like.
you subscribe, you like the video. After you like the video, you just scroll, go down a little part of my comment and tell us what you think about my skill. Alright, moving on to the next brow.
That's not because I want some fancy dancing. Go to the Murphy. I want some fancy dancing.
Fancy dance.
Fancy dance.
Let me see something on this first. Me can use it two of them, no?
Man, but I want some fancy dancing. Go to the Murphy.
Fancy dance you want? Fancy dance you go get.
I want to go to road with this. You know, so we just get lift up, you know, yeah.
Yeah, we forgot to box
We
cover.
get lift up.
Put more free up.
Listen to me, I don't know corona in a man. So because the free up to come right in.
I don't know you call fancy dance color.
Yes. This is the 3, I think it's 35W. Yes, it's 35W.
Dark truth.
Fancy dancing.
Talk the truth.
Fancy dancing.
Them something look like when they are bomb there, they just drop them on them face. Talk truth. No kind of madness them about fan, but
It has
box
glitters.
cover fan. Well, yeah. Look on this. Talk truth. Look how this look vibrant and nice, and she want to put bomb color on her face. Sure.
You try to give me more about 3 color blade, no? Give me about 3 color. One in the corner, one in the middle, and one in the
A
end.
clown convention.
No, I want fancy dancing.
I go put on a red nose after me doing the fancy dancing.
No, stop talking.
Alright, one. Where to put the colors? I put the colors where I want to put the colors. I love doing that. Alright.
In the corner, the middle. Yeah.
So lucky now, you know? Lucky now. Me I run you out of my chair now. Alright. Oh, they say don't wipe, dab. It's only a dab. So put in the can dab in squint up your eye, just close it. I can't use the same brush but the same
it's not gonna show.
shade.
So that's why I asked you to go for the other brushes you will need more.
I feel like a professional.
Honestly, don't see.
I feel like a Professor GAYNOR, makeup artist extraordinaire.
Yeah, I wasn't even a shot.
Yeah, look how much burnt now, sir. Alright. Bam, 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 bam. It has to flow like water. Alright. Whoa, yeah, who looks so now?
3 colors for 7 ones.
So that 3 color you get?
3 colors.
And a big red nose.
3 colors.
And people are this to use.
Yeah, so take me back to Brazil. BH Cosmetics. Sponsor me.
Alright, what else am I supposed to do here? So this?
They call it a B. Dash.
Ooh. Hold on your head. Yes, boy. Tell the nice people what is name.
LA Pro Concealer.
And what is it used for?
And this is, what is this? It's medium beige.
What is it used for?
Well, I'm saying I'm going to try highlight. So
Highlight where?
on the ears and ears. I'm afraid already big, so I'm going to really want that highlight.
Alright, let us go. don't sing and chant that song they went and see you.
Jesus.
God made you.
Definitely, I need to go out in public with one. You come and make it makeup again and go out in a public. Are you ever walk with me and then
Allah ya tell.
if you can't proud of me with your work.
Allah ya tell. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Right in a public then go with you and hug you up so nice and make such googly eyes off of you.
We can go in there just in a night. Sorry, not other side.
No, yes, but the floodlights will shine bright on my face. That's
In Jamaica, this what kind of floodlights you talk about? Dark corners. Let me see you. Jesus. Once I pull you do one dance. You fix what was broken. Show the nice people of what going on. Lucky. Yeah. Alright, show the nice people what Let me see. Turn it. Face. Turn it. Oi. Me not do good. Comment in the comment section and tell me if you don't like my work. Yeah, that is enough of that. Some of you put wait there.
And yeah, I see right there.
Wait there.
Don't hate it that much. I mean, the eyeshadows mistakes are going with some things, but I think the foundation is done well. And we're back into the highlight. Kind of glowing. I don't hate it.
Oh, wait.
No.
Oh, should I?
Anyways, so you guys, you can also rate it yourself.
Yes.
Just in the comments below.
And people, congratulations, you have made it to the end of the video. Please, as we keep saying throughout the video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever we post a video. We thank you so much for your support and continue to watch our video. So yeah, thank you for watching and continue to watch our content, guys. Bye.
Bye.
You think I don't rush challenge this? Bye, guys.
Hey guys, so we have two pages that we would really like if you guys could check it out for us. We have a store on Instagram called Just Shoes Me. Link will be Just Shoe Me. Yeah, Just Shoe Me.
SHOE.
Relax.
What's up?
Yeah, the link will be in the description box, guys. Don't worry about it. And of course, she sells. Yeah, you sell it on the screen as well. She sells real fashionable shoes.
Yeah,
check it out. She's up and coming.
Really nice.
Yeah, and guys. Ooh. And guys, we also have a YouTuber that we like to promote as well.
Yeah, guys. Her YouTube channel is called Bay's World.
I'll have it on the screen.
Oh yeah, it will be right here. Yeah, so her YouTube channel is Bay's World. She has some pretty interesting videos, and young YouTubers we have to help out each other, because if we don't do it, so so go and check out Bay's World. The link to her channel will be in the description.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, or
Yeah.
we don't know we're gonna put this in yet. I hope you enjoyed the video or going to enjoy the video.
Yes.
Hey guys.
Yeah, so please check out those two persons.
Cool.
Yeah.
Bye.